The art of cooking can so easily be lost in the details. One misstroke could be complete disaster. Thank you, doctor. Take this knife, for instance. In the hands of someone less skilled than I could do this. Hey! Ho! Ha!
Raw. Raga.
Yeah. Such precision. So first we chop the wieners good. You want a lot of surface area to cook well because you don't know what's in there. And you really want to boil the hell out of those nasty little things. Then throw in the pasta. You cook it. You strain it. You get all the water out. Then back in the pot. You mix the crap in there. It's not rocket science. And there you have it.
Oh yes, and get this book. It is very good. Makes a good gift.